everyone, welcome back again to another Thai lesson with me, Ananda from Ling app. Yay! Alright, so in today's video, we will teach you guys, not we, actually just only me. So I will teach you guys about the Thai vocabulary related to transportation. Okay, let's get back to our lesson today. So let's get started with the word transportation in Thai. How can we say transportation in the Thai language? We say การขนส่งการขนส่ง that means transportation in Thai. And in Thailand we have different kind of การขนส่ง If you guys have come here to Thailand before, you must know tuk-tuk. Okay, let's get started. So, here's the list of Thai vocabulary about transportation. Go to the first one. So, the first one is the famous transportation for tourists. It is tuk-tuk. We said in Thai, rót tuk-tuk. Rót tuk-tuk. So, the word rót is mean car, and tuk-tuk is the name of the car. So, for example, พวกเราชอบรถตุกๆพวกเราชอบรถตุกๆ We like tuk-tuk. And next one, motorcycle. We call it in Thai มอเตอร์ไซค์มอเตอร์ไซค์ It sounds like in English, but in pronounced as Thai. For example, ฉันขี่มอเตอร์ไซค์ไปโรงเรียน ฉันขี่มอเตอร์ไซค์ไปโรงเรียน I like a motorcycle to school. The next one is car. We say in Thai รถยนต์รถยนต์ An example sentence ฉันไม่มีรถยนต์ ฉันไม่มีรถยนต์ I don't have a car. And if you want to learn more about like the Thai sentence structure and some basic of Thai grammar, you can go back and watch our video. I will attach the link here. And the next word, plane. We say it in Thai เครื่องบินเครื่องบิน For example, ฉันไปเชียงใหม่โดยเครื่องบิน ฉันไปเชียงใหม่โดยเครื่องบิน So this sentence means I went to Chiang Mai by plane. The next one, Skytrain. Skytrain in Thai we call รถไฟฟ้ารถไฟฟ้า The example sentence is the fact that รถไฟฟ้ามีแค่ในกรุงเทพรถไฟฟ้ามีแค่ในกรุงเทพ So this sentence means Skytrain is only available in Bangkok. This is the fact that all other provinces in Thailand don't have a Skytrain, only in Bangkok. The next one is van. We say it รถตู้รถตู้ For example, รถตู้ขับเร็วมากรถตู้ขับเร็วมาก A van drive very fast. And so the word รถ as I said before, it means car. It's the shortened version from the word รถยนต์ but we normally say just รถ Okay, so the next one, let's move on. So the next part will be the basic conversation about transportation. Okay, so let's start with the first sentence. If you want to buy a ticket and you want to ask it first, how much is the ticket? So you can say ค่าตั๋วไป the place that you want to go ราคาเท่าไหร่ And you also can add the word คะ or kráp at the end of the sentence, add the polite particle. And we also teach about that at the very first video. Don't forget to go back and watch it. Okay, let's get back to this sentence again. ค่าตั๋วไป the place ราคาเท่าไหร่ For example ค่าตั๋วไปเชียงใหม่ราคาเท่าไหร่ That means how much is a ticket to Chiang Mai cost. The next one. When you are in the bus and you want to tell the bus driver that I want to stop here, you can say จอดที่นี่ค่ะ or จอดที่นี่ครับ if you are man. So that means please stop here. You also can use this word with the motorcycle. We call motorcycle like win มอไซค์ win มอไซค์ or with the taxi as well. And the next sentence ไป the place that you want to go ค่ะ or ครับ For example, if you want to go to the bank maybe, and the word the bank in Thai is ธนาคาร For example ไปธนาคารค่ะ That means take me to the bank please. The next sentence, before you get to the bus, you can ask รถคันนี้ไปไหนคะรถคันนี้ไปไหนคะ It means where does this train or this bus go. Next, so this one is when you want to ask when does the train or the bus that you will take will leave. For example, if you want to ask รถไป the place that you want to go จะออกเมื่อไหร่ For example รถไปเชียงใหม่จะออกเมื่อไหร่ That means was that the train or the bus to Chiang Mai leave. And that it for today's lesson. Thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to go back and watch our previous videos for learn more Thai with us, with me and Anchisa. Don't forget to give a like if you like this video and subscribe to more the video related to language. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys again in the next lesson. Bye.